What's happening? This your boy Keenan here. Keenan just felt like cooking. It's Friday night, home from work. About to whoop up a little dish using Spam. That's right, Spam. It's only a couple ingredients, and Spam is one of them. So I'm gonna hook this up. It's a little dish that my wife turned me on to. Check it out. So what we got here, we got Spam. And if those that didn't know, Luncheon Meat is Spam. Okay, we like using the lower sodium Spam. It's a lot savorier. It's not salty. It tastes real good. We also going to use an onion. All right, chop up this onion, some ketchup, something that I do not like, but I like cooking with it. I cannot eat it on anything else unless it's cooked down. And then we're going to add a little bit of this habanero mixture. This is habaneros and vinegar. This stuff is amazing. It goes good with fried items and anything you want to put it on. It's really, really good. So I'm going to get everything chopped up and get it in the skillet. I just want to show everybody that there's really no difference in Spam and Luncheon Meat. Maybe the Luncheon Meat here has a little bit coarser grind, and the name brand Spam here probably a little bit smoother. But as you can see, there's really no difference. So don't hate on it. Somebody say we need some Spam, and you be like, oh, all they had was Luncheon Meat. I didn't get that. Something wrong with you. All right, to the skillet. All right, so as you can see, I'm wrapping up this Spam. And if you never fried your Spam before, it is really good. And I'm using peanut oil here. I mean, look at that. Yeah, that's sandwich worthy right there. Sandwiches. Spamiches. Yeah. A little egg. Good to go. Wonder why they ain't got Spam sandwiches like in fast food restaurants. Like, you would think somebody would have jumped on board by now. And if they do, they probably heard it from here. Because I don't know too many fast food spots that's jumping on the Spam tip. I remember it got real popular for a minute. The rise of Hawaiian food. But yeah, I didn't grow up eating this. I didn't start frying it until I met my wife. She's the one who turned me on to frying it. I didn't even know you can fry it. When they used to give it to us, it was fresh out the can and slimy. So I definitely didn't eat that. And we never thought to fry it. That's pretty interesting. We never thought that. Alright, so this is the oil that the Spam was cooked in. All that Spam flavor. I'm going to turn this fire down a little bit. Got it on like medium low. And I'm going to add 1 medium onion. Oh yeah, we sizzling up in here. We real cooking. So I'm going to saute these bad boys down. Drain a little bit of this grease out. And then check out what I do with this ketchup. I mean, I'm really proud on how I cut these onions. Like, I cut these. These are pretty darn cool. Yeah. I excelled in home ec class. I'm a home cook. Yeah. That's how we do it. Alright. Finish cooking these bad boys down. And then I'm going to put the ketchup in there. And some of that habanero mixture with the vinegar. That stuff is good. Okay. Back in a minute. Okay. So we got these onions cooked down. They're nice and soft and translucent. I drained a little bit of oil out of there. We don't want to drain too much because we don't want the ketchup to burn. So this is not a measurement dish. This is like what people will call a struggle meal. So, how will we measure this ketchup? 1 squirt, 2 squirts, 3 squirts, 4 squirts. So that's about 4.5 tablespoons. Alright. Now, we're going to put about a teaspoon of this habanero mixture. Probably not even that because we want the kids to eat it. Alright, I'm going to grab a little bit of the peppers. That's about it. Okay, maybe a little more. They can handle it. They eat hot Cheetos. Alright. So that's about a good teaspoon of that mix. And it smells amazing. The fruitiness of habaneros, like, I mean, that is just, it's really good. So we're going to stir this up. We're going to see how it looks. play it by ear and see if we want to add some more ketchup. I think one more squirt of ketchup. Maybe 2. 1, 2. So that's 6 squirts. They need to have a measurement of squirt. I mean, they got a dash and a pinch. Like, they actually put a dash and a pinch. I can't believe somebody did that. All right. So now, increase the heat a little bit and mix that up. Man, that smells good. And I do not eat ketchup. I really don't. So now we're going to add the meat back in there. Let me grab this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here's the Spam. Oh, yeah. We got our Spam on. And as you can see, you can't tell the difference. Well, maybe you can if you're a Spamologist or a Spamatician. You know, you can see the difference from the Great Value off-brand one, Luncheon Meat. Okay, nothing wrong with the Luncheon Meat. And the name brand Spam. So, see the difference. No difference in taste, though. So, we're going to put this back in here. Man, this is smelling good. All right. You know, nestle that down in there. Let it get to know each other. It's really good. That is struggling. All right. You know what? There we go. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to cover this. We're going to cover this up. We're going to let it steam up, let it cook, let it boil and toil and bubble up and get to know each other. Then, we're going to plate it with some rice. Some good old regular white rice. Alright, back in a minute with a plate. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes. And we definitely covered this up. You know, let it get a little moisture in there. So you can add more ketchup. You can add whatever you like. Add barbecue sauce or something. I don't know. But this is how my wife showed me how to do it. And I'm going to stick to the tradition now. But rotate it, you know, get everything coated. And it's pretty much done. I mean, this is done. Done. Man, that tastes good. We got a little heat on there from the habaneros and all that. So now, let me get something plated. Turn the fire off. Okay, so this is how I'm going to do mine. It's hard for me to not eat rice without butter. Yeah. Look at that, man. That is good. Cooked down. I mean, you could serve that to somebody, they wouldn't even know it's just ketchup. They'd be like, what is that sauce? Yeah, so we put that hot Spam right over that butter, and it's just going to melt it. I mean, boy, this is amazing. A little bit more onion. Some of that onion. Let's get that out the way. Okay. Got a little butter left over on the spoon, but it's okay, because it's all going to get eaten. Alright, let's take a bite. Look at that. A little rice, Spam, onion, ketchup, habanero and vinegar. Man. Okay, now let's talk about this for a second. I do not like ketchup. Okay, I can't stand the smell of it. I think it's terrible or anything. I do not taste ketchup. That's why I like cooking with it. This is good. This is really, really good, and I'm very proud of myself. Okay. Quick little meal for the family. Hey, you got you some Spam or some luncheon meat. Same thing. Hook this up. Check it out. And of course, I'm tying it all together with a little Jarritos. This is good. Jarritos is good. Mexican color. Alright. Man. Bring back childhood memories. It's your boy Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. One.